old, too old for all this thing. Okay. Now tell me, we're going to talk about Ayurveda today. What do you think Ayurveda is?
It's like a naturopathy.
No, that's two different things. Naturopathy
Okay.
is back to nature. Ayurveda
It's,
is the science of life, how to live longer and healthy. That's what Ayurveda is. It's a knowledge of life. What is the aim of Ayurveda? What do you think?
to balance kapha, vata, and dosa, 3 dosa.
You're coming to a conclusion very quickly. But
Oh.
before that, what is
health.
the aim of Ayurveda is to maintain a health of a healthy person. If you have a disease, then heal the disease of unhealthy person. Both prevention and healing is carried out by natural means. No chemical, nothing at all. It's like the take as a food, as a supplement, food as a medicine. That makes sense? It's as simple as that. The herbal, every Ayurvedic herbal food supplement acts as a tonic to develop your immune system. That's what this morning we did intermittent fasting, talking about. That's also increase your immune system. So in Ayurveda, they use the food to supplement as to act as a tonic to increase your immune system and help to detox. Obviously, you all know there's a 5 elements. What are the elements? Can you tell me?
Water, air, space, earth,
And fire.
fire.
That's right. So everything in the world, living or non-living thing, is made up of those 5 elements: fire, air, space, earth, and water. Your health is in a perfect state of balance. What are we talking about? Vayu, Pitta, and Kapha. Let's know more about what they are. Usually, what is Kapha? What do you know Kapha means?
Mucus. 30.
Mucus,
Mucus.
yes. What else?
Causes asthma.
That's it. Also, it makes you fatter, gain weight as well. Will increase Kapha. What is Kapha in medical term? Kapha is anabolism. That is, it's made up of water and earth. That's Kapha. Affects the upper part of the body, from neck, throat, up the way. When it's out of balance, you can have 50, 30 different kind of disease if you have a Kapha dosha. The Kapha-related problems are common from birth to somebody age of 20. That's when children tend to have tonsil, sinus problem, ear infection, and so on. That's part of an age-related. Kapha dosha happens to children from birth to 20 years old. And then Pitta happens from 20 to 40 or 50. That's the digestive system. Affects your liver, your pancreas, your spleen, your digestive system. And Vata affects from excretory system. That's why it happens to people over the age of 50. That's what leads to constipation. So it's difficult to have bowel movement. That's why people have a bowel cancer. Other things are quite common. So when Kapha, Vayu, Pitta, 3 are out of balance, then you can have 128 different kinds of disease in the body. Cold, fever, even cancer, they all come because of imbalance of Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Very important. One of the easiest way to find what dosa you are at the moment current, take a glass of water at room temperature, take a sip, hold it for a few seconds, and take another sip. And feel the taste of what water is tasting like. If it tastes better, then you have pitta predominant. If it's sweet, it's kapha predominant. If it's sour, it's vata predominant. As I said to you, in Ayurveda, food is the best medicine. In Ayurveda, we divide the food into 3 channels: sattvic, rastic, and tamasic. You can have the same thing, can happen all 3, depending on your thing. I'll tell you the scenario. I've talked about that before as well. Say, if I want to go picnic tomorrow morning to the apple farm to pick some apple, have from the garden and eat them fresh from the tree. So in the morning, we pack the car, get the children in the back seat, and all the blanket, hot tea, water, everything is packed up, ready for to go to picnic. I tell the wife, the map, we have no navigation in my car. I give her the map and say, this is where we are going. So please, you guide me. You tell me, turn right, left, right. I will follow you, whatever you tell me. We drive for 2 hours and we end up in Timbuktu. We don't know where she is. She's lost us. So I get angry. I said, even you don't know how to read the map properly. Look at where we wasted 2 hours. So we start fighting, arguing. And children in the back are pulling their hair. They're kind of getting all agitated because they are sitting in the back for too long. You can see the same scene, what's happening. So there's a kind of aggravation everywhere, anxiety. And then ultimately I go and look at the map and drive myself. We arrive at the farm. We laid the blanket, put all the teapot, everything out, whatever we had to eat for snack. Children will start playing with the ball. I climbed the ladder to pluck the apple from the tree. This apple was sattvic because it grew right in the sun to get the maximum energy. It was a very healthy food. Then when I give it to my wife, my wife took the apple and went, like she's still not talking to me. And then she cuts the apple in section and gives it to each children and ourselves. So what do you think the apple is? Is it sattvic, tamasic, or rastic? What it is?
Sattvic?
No. It was sattvic, but because your frame of mind wasn't right, so that became tamasic.
Tamasic, yeah.
Well, so really, something which is good can become all 3. And another scenario was we're having a party this Sunday. So wife goes to the fruit market, buy all the different fruits, sets on the table nicely decorative. So when I come from work, I feel kind of big pancake. So I picked one grapes from the thing. She snapped me, said, looky, don't touch. It's all for display only. And then a week after, she cuts all those fruits and say, you want some fruit? When they're all gone bad, they're all ready to go soft and soggy. So I'm thinking that food also becomes tamasic as well. That's why we tell you, when you're eating anything at all, if you have evening meal with the family, you should have no TV on, no mobile phone. You should talk about all the positive things, and that itself gives you a good vibration, good energy. Very important. So to maintain the balance of tridosa throughout the day and the year, Ayurveda prescribes health and lifestyle rules suited to all season and all time of the day. Nature produces many fruits resembling the shape of the organs, your body, which is beneficial to organ. Can you name some for me?
Avocado, papaya.
Avocado, what's that for? What's the
It's
benefit of avocado?
ovaries. Ovaries.
Ovary, yeah, that's right. Looks like ovary shape.
Yeah.
What, anybody else? Anything else?
Walnut for brains.
That's the excellent walnut for brains. They look like a brain when you cut. What else?
Kidney
Sweet
bean.
potato. Oh,
Sorry.
Yeah, sweet potato.
pancreas, is it?
Pancreas, that's
Right.
right. Looks like a pancreas. Have to buy. Swami eats sweet potato once a week at least.
Yeah.
Helps to prevention of cancer as well. because it's got a lot of beta carotene, which body converts into vitamin A. It's very good for prevention of cancer and remove dead cells from your body. So it plays a very, and also for prevention of diabetes. People who are on the borderline, that will help with that. What else you got? Grapes.
Grapes,
What do you look like?
lungs,
Like
alveolar,
back and sack,
alveolar.
back and lung, so they are like
Sacs,
a blowing.
alveolar.
Tomato,
A heart,
that's when you cut them, look like a chamber of the heart. And also it's got lipocin, which is a red color, beta carotene, which helps to convert into vitamin A and promote good health. So it's a lot of things like that. Cashew nut, kidney beans.
Yes.
What about pears and guava? What they look like? Pears and guava,
Oh, they do.
ovary.
Oh, okay. So,
And also, if you have a lot of constipation, pear का जूस निकाल के पी लीजिए, तो पेट साफ हो जाएगा. That's what Ayurveda tells you. Ayurveda is taking food as medicine. That's what they're trying to tell you. And there is, to raise your prana, your diet should have all 6 tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, pungent, and astringent. What is sweet? Sugar, rice, dates, and so on. Sour is lemon, and yogurt, vinegar, etc. Salty, obviously rock salt or sea salt. Bitter, bitter gourd, turmeric, fenugreek, and so on. What is pungent? Can somebody mention anything pungent? What is that? Chili, garlic, ginger, and so on. And astringent is pomegranate, chickpeas, banana, and so on. So they all play a big part. And body has a time clock for Vayu, Pitta, and Kapha. So if you go to bathroom before 6 o'clock in the morning, your bowel movement will be easier because Vayu is stronger up to 6 o'clock. From 2 o'clock to 6 o'clock, Vayu is strong. After 6, it starts weakening. Same with Kapha, it is stronger up to 2 o'clock afternoon. After 2 o'clock, it diminishes. That's why if I have a Kapha dosa, if I eat yogurt up to 2 o'clock, it won't harm me. But if I eat yogurt in the evening, it will give me Kapha dosa. It will create more mucus, more sinus problem, and more kind of a breathing problem. Everything will happen more often. Very important. There's 7 stages to ill health. You don't become ill overnight. One is imbalance. What happens? Because you're saying husband and wife both are working, they're all saying, yes, I'm working hard to buy a bigger house, bigger car, bigger TV, all the different things your children need and yourself you need. In the process, you're harming yourself and you start getting, so you're abusing your body in a sense. You're working all 24 hours a day, different 7 days a week, sometimes with no day off, things like that. And then what happens is the body wants you, body gives you kind of headache. Then you just take paracetamol and say, and you keep working on, you keep kind of, and the body is trying to warn you, but you don't focus, you just keep working away. And then one day again, you get headache, then the wife makes an appointment with the GP. But you say, oh, no, I'll be okay, I'm not going, just take some, give me some paracetamol. That's it. That's what happens. But one day, after a couple of months, you wake up in the morning, you say, God, this is not right. I'm getting headache all the time. So he makes the appointment, husband makes the appointment himself. When he goes to GP, takes all the blood supply, takes all the parameter, and say, come back in a week's time. So week's time, when he goes there, doctor says, yes, you have high sugar level, your blood pressure is high, and all these things because he didn't did anything about it. It become chronic. So you have to take medicine for the rest of your life. The body does warn you. Even cancer doesn't come overnight. It takes about maybe a year, 2 years, 3 years for that to happen. If your mother had a breast cancer, chance of you getting breast cancer is 70%. So what would you do? You find out what to do so you don't get cancer. So you have to do something about it, not just sit back and just so hoping it won't happen to you. You have to do risk assessment. Look at your family history. Whatever your mother, father, or your brothers, any uncle, aunt had, chance of you getting is very high. So you have to do something about it. Make sure you don't get it. So how does the Ayurveda work? When you take an Ayurvedic supplement, it's like a food as the medicine. It helps start to happening within 2 to 3 days. Because it's not medicine. It's like a lot of minerals which are treated daily basis. It's like Arogvati. I'm taking glowing tablet for last 15 years, 1 tablet per day. Before I used to get flu all the time. My dad used to give me, my father was GP, used to give me flu injection every winter. Still I get severe winter flu. Since I met Swamiji and started taking Arogvati, even when there was swine flu in 2008, I was traveling around the whole world teaching yoga classes. I never had any sore throat. Since then, I've never had a sore throat at all. No kind of flu, nothing at all. I know it worked for me. So I can only tell you from my own experience what works. And Arogvati is a very, Gilo is one of the best herb you can buy, or you can grow them in your house as well. But it needs a nice and hot weather to grow. And it's like increases your white blood cell, WBC, to fight infection and so on. Very important. And in Ayurveda, how does Ayurveda works? You tell me. A lot of people, when I give them Ayurvedic supplement, tell them to eat certain thing on daily basis, then they come back to me and saying, "Humne khaya tha, but I became more ill. Humne khana chhod diya." Ayurveda क्या करता है? Purpose of Ayurveda is to detox. जब भी आपके अंदर से जहर निकलेगा, तो you will vomit, you will have a diarrhea, or you have fever, or you have pimples. All these are part of a body way of detoxing your body. First, that once the toxins are eradicated, then your body health improves. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
That's important. And people
Yeah.
stop and they think, oh, हम तो ये दवाई खाया हमारा और हमको डायरिया हो गया. Diarrhea इसलिए हुआ, that's what Ayurveda does. It's trying to detox you. Saying पेट में बहुत sludge है, उसको निकालना है. इसलिए when you go to wellness center, a naturopathy center, they give you herbal supplement to drink, and that makes your constipation goes away. Your bowel movement goes faster. Like a lot of people take, you all know what triphala powder? They take triphala powder for constipation and so on. And it's a tridosa. Triphala powder is good for Vayu, Pitta, and Kapha, all 3 kind of symptoms, kind of anything. And when the body heals, it revives the old symptoms. So Ayurveda, we try to heal right to the root of the cause. It's like onion. You heal top skin, then the bottom comes out, you heal that until you go to the root of the problem, and you are cured for good.
Okay.
So really, how do you know what dosa you are? Vayu, Pitta, and Kapha? Water taste is simple. There's a way, the way you're born, depending on your mother's, father, Vayu, Pitta, and Kapha. So that if people who are certain dosa have a darker hair, they're taller, or they're fatter. If I have a Kapha dosa, doesn't matter how much diet I do, I'll be slightly overweight all the time. So that is my body design. So really, so if you look at if you have the book, on the book, there is a page with all the information on Ayurveda where you write down, you fill in all the answer. Just get that.
Just 71?
हाँ, ये बुक है ना, इस बुक में आप बताते हैं पेज नंबर 94 में, जिसके बाद ये बुक है. Page 94 में है ना, it gives you all the dosa type question answer. What do it, and then you fill those forms in, and that will tell you what you are born with. That doesn't tell you the current dosa, but that tells you what you were born with. That's what makes you taller, your hair longer, darker, all the feature of your body governs by which dosa you're born with. And then also in the book is also, you can change your dosa by kind of food you eat. If I have a kapha dosa, then I eat certain thing to reduce kapha and increase pitta and kapha. So they are on the page 90 onward on that book. You have all the things to do with all the kind of food you can eat, or what depending on dosa you have.
I've got the
Really?
old book. I've got this book. So
Old book. I think might have some as well. But if it doesn't, new book. I think the old book has got that as well. I think, isn't it?
yeah, it's got about you know, a
Because
bit
so many,
vata.
but new book has got more item on it. That's why we are kind of upgraded it slightly,
Yeah.
you know. But old
It's-
book, if you have the old book, that's sufficient to at least give you a chance to know exactly what we're talking about, you know.
I read it, but I didn't understand.
Huh?
I read about it, but I couldn't understand.
So see,
You
like
know,
if I for argument's sake, say like if I have a kapha dosa, for argument, my kapha is very high. So I tend to get I'm overweight and certain things. So what I have to do, eat certain things which reduce my kapha, like cherry, like what else will be? Like pears, pineapple. Also certain thing will reduce your kapha and increase your pitta and kapha and pitta and vayu. To balance, as long as what you're trying to do is create the all three in balance. Vayu, pitta, and kapha all to be balanced. Be balanced, then you're supreme being. You're completely healthy. That's what we're trying to do. But that's why something which is good for Maniji might not be good for husband. Husband dosa might be different to yours.
Oh yeah,
Something
it is
good to
definitely.
you, some might not. So really, but same time, today's lifestyle, we can't cook different for everybody. So really, we have to design a food to balance the whole thing. And obviously, it's like a balancing act. It's not. I might make it sound so simple, but it's not. It's quite a difficult task. But really, that's why I say there's no thing is a superfood. So what you should do as a family, sit down, look at your what kind of character you have, and then what kind of menu you want for the rest of your life, and make a list of things you have to buy, and that's where you cook what you bought for the whole week. Rather than usually by end up you open the fridge and saying, oh yeah, हमारा लौकी खराब हो रहा है, लौकी बना लेते हैं, जो खराब होता है वो हम लोग बना लेते हैं पर से. It shouldn't be like that. It should be more planned, because we spend all the time earning money, doing everything else. But health is more important. You have to focus a bit more chance on a healthy lifestyle.
That's
Because female have a very high responsibility in a sense. I'm not saying husband shouldn't do it either, but because you are more in charge of the kitchen, what you buy, what you have, you're more in control. And but husband will just go along with you and say, yes, okay, that's not good. And then you are taking in charge of, so really it's your responsibility to make sure you kind of plan it and get the children and the husband to sit down and discuss things and try to spend some time, for half an hour per week, on what kind of menu we should have, what kind of food you like. Sometimes it's good to have pizza as well, nothing wrong with that, once in a while. So it's like creating a balance. You have to keep the whole family happy. No point just saying, like, you have to take green juices, nothing else. Then you'll have a big trouble in your hand. You can't do that. You have to keep everybody happy and certain things. That's what Ayurveda talks about. So far, what I've talked about, any question on that? Anybody want to ask something on what I've talked about just there?
Stress thinking about the menu for the week.
I know.
Sorry.
Sravanji,
बोलिए.
coming back to page 90, this is just, I was getting a bit confused. You've got a list of all the food,
Yeah.
and Vata, Pitta and Kapha.
Yeah.
So it's got low, high, balance. So does that mean that if you're a Vata, like aubergine, you can eat?
Yeah. One thing is, if your butter is lower, if you eat aubergine, your butter will increase.
Okay.
That's what you're trying to do.
Okay. So if you need to increase one or the other.
Yeah, I can do that. And the best way to tell you why you Pitta Kapha, if you let me highlight myself. If you take your, let me. If you take your hand like this, and put the 3 finger across there, press harder, and you can feel the one of them. My this one is vibrating more than other two. That's Vayu, Pitta, and Kapha. So I've got Vayu dosa just now. Can you feel it? Anybody?
Pulse, isn't pulse you feel it?
Tell us again about these fingers, the
Okay.
Vata, Pitta, the
Can you say that again, sir?
Let me just see. If you put, let me see. You put your hand like this, put the 3 finger like this, side. And breathing in and out, you'll feel one finger, this or this move. This is Vayu, this is Pitta, this is Kapha. Mine is this finger moving, vibrating. This
In that case, I'm Vayu.
that's it. Most people
You
are.
feel vibrating. Sorry to interrupt. Feel vibrating. Okay, then.
What's that? Sorry.
If they're vibrating, if your fingers are vibrating, is that okay?
No, a finger, but you can feel the blood going to that finger.
Yeah,
Underneath
the
that
pulse.
finger.
Yeah, I meant the pulse. You know, if you can feel the pulse.
Yeah, that's it.
Mine is Pitta.
My
one is Pitta.
आपने
What's
क्या
the middle
सीखा?
one?
Pitta, Pitta.
पीता है, हाँ,
Middle one.
middle में।
Pitta and Kapha, both.
अभी आप जिसका पीता है अभी थोड़ा यंग है आप लोग। हम लोग वायु, हम लोग बुढ़ा गया, एज हम लोग का हो गया 60 के ऊपर ना, तो 60 के ऊपर कफा दोसा जल्दी होता है।
We always young. Only the age.
माइंड तो यंग है, बॉडी यंग नहीं है, बॉडी kind of getting old. But this is the one way of telling it. But obviously, that's how Ayurvedic doctor will touch you and feel that to tell you exactly what dosa you are and try to give you lifestyle, kya khana hai, what to do, how to do stress and everything else. Very important.
Can you be Vayu and Pitta as well?
Yeah, you can have 2, but if 2 could be out of balance. But if 3 out of balance, then you're in the hospital. You have something serious wrong with you.
Then we need to ring Strawberry. Then we need to ring you.
नहीं, तब तो राम नाम सत्य है, मुर्दा बड़ा मस्त हो जाएगा। नहीं, we don't go there. All I'm saying is, but then that's what Ayurveda talks about, why you Pitta and Kapha to balance it, kind of everything together. So really, it's very important. Yeah, बोलिए.
Sorry, may I just ask you? You know the Kapha, Pitta, Kapha, Pitta, and Vayu. But when I press my wrist, I do feel the pulse in all.
All 3.
Oh, yes. Should it be 2? Should it be 3?
Let me phone the ambulance. Hello. I'm kidding.
There is no outside anyway, so no. Is it like a Kapha is not as strong, obviously, but the middle 2 fingers, the Vayu and the Pitta is I can feel a lot.
Yeah, so you can have 2 dosa as well. That's okay as well. You know, because you might be born with one, and one is due to your lifestyle just now.
Oh, okay.
Follow me? So it's not that bad. But what I'm saying is, but it's all about creating a balance between the thing. You know, last but not least, I think
Thank you.
What we'd like to talk about is, remember in Ayurveda we talk about food as a supplement. So I want to highlight some of the foods which you have in the kitchen. Think of them as medicine. हम लोग खा रहे हैं. पहले क्या हुआ कि these were medicine. That's why Ayurvedic doctors used to give our ancestors to eat those as a medicine to prevention aspect of health. हम लोग को खाने की आदत हो गई, और उसका फायदा क्या होता भुला गए हम लोग. क्यों खा रहे हैं पता नहीं है. हल्दी खाते हैं खाना में कि अच्छा लगता है खाने में, जीरा का छौंक डालते हैं अच्छा लगता है, पर क्यों खा रहे हैं वो पता नहीं, क्या फायदा है वो पता नहीं है. माइंड को जब तक पता नहीं रहेगा ना, if your mind thinks what your mind thinks, body delivers. यदि आप avocado खा रहे हो low blood pressure करने के लिए, that's what will do. So eating it will lower your sugar level. That's what your mind thinks, body delivers. अब कुछ नहीं सोचोगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा. खा रहे हो पेट पे जा रहा है, नीचे से निकल रहा है, थोड़ा बहुत फायदा होगा पर ज्यादा फायदा नहीं होगा. So really very important to जो चीज भी खा रहे हो सोच के खाओ, क्यों खा रहे हो, क्या फायदा, उससे आपको क्या फायदा चाहिए बॉडी से. जैसा फायदा आप सोचिएगा माइंड मन से, बॉडी आपको वही चीज देगा. Does that make sense? Very important.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
let's start some of the herbs which you have in the kitchen. Very first one is, which would you mention? Turmeric.
Turmeric, yeah.
दादी क्या करती थी, ये हाथ कट गया तो हल्दी लगा दो, खून निकलना बंद हो जाता था. It's simple, दादी का नुस्खा हो गया था. हम रोज I eating haldi every night in hot water, mix it like a medicine, not as a food, to clean my blood. Prevention is better than cure. सोचना पड़ेगा, खा रहे हो तो क्यों खा रहे हो? ये नहीं कि हम हल्दी रोज खाते हैं. कितने लोग बोलते हैं I'm eating haldi every day, good good, क्यों खा रहे हो? पता नहीं. तब रहा गोल बटोल है, कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. You have to think. Mind is very strong. Mind over matter. जैसा सोचोगे वैसा होगा. थोड़ा सा सोचना स्टार्ट कर दो. You will get double the benefit. Automatically your health will improve and you do things on it. And then you have and turmeric is very good for people with Alzheimer, dementia. इसलिए इंडिया में जब हम इंडिया छोड़े थे 1967 में, उस समय अल्जाइमर डिमेंशिया का नाम हमने कभी सुना नहीं था. कि हम लोग हल्दी खाते थे, हल्दी रोज खाते थे खाना में, तो प्रिवेंशन ऑफ इन्फ्लेमेशन ऑफ ब्रेन सेल नहीं होता है. नाउ since I came here now in India, every family got Alzheimer, dementia, because we start using aluminum pot. Aluminum pot घर में है, you should throw away. What happens to aluminum pot? It gets pitted after 6 months use it, and that aluminum goes to your brain and damage your brain cell. And same thing happens with, don't use aluminum foil for anything. Aluminum foil leaches into your food very quickly, and it damages your and your children and your husband, whatever who you're feeding, damage the brain cell. If you have to keep something hot, use a ceramic glass bowl or stainless steel pot, something like that, or a towel, clean kitchen towel, something, whatever you want to do, but don't use aluminum foil. We have a habit of using it, aluminum foil for everything. Even cooking something in oven, we put the aluminum foil. Buy the greaseproof paper. There's always an alternative, very important. Then you got cinnamon powder. What good is cinnamon powder for? Tell me.
Metabolic.
For cholesterol,
Yes.
Diabetes.
for heart, good for heart,
Heart, brain.
controls your blood pressure even.
लंग को साफ करता है, and
हाँ,
इसमें
lung-
sugar में chromium है.
Sugar
Help balance
control
your sugar
करता है.
level. जो आपने बोला, सही बोला, well done, that's good. And also improves the overall, glucose metabolism, lung function as well. और गुड़ का क्या फायदा है?
गुड़ ब्लड के लिए, आंखों के लिए,
All the
blood
different
के-
iron, calcium. इसलिए कभी-कभी
सभी
लोग,
आयरन बहुत है.
हम जब राजस्थान में थे ना, राजस्थान के लोग रहते थे, तो मंदिर जाओ तो सुबह नाश्ता में लोग गुड़ और चना सौ देते थे. वो खा लो तो दिन भर कुछ नहीं भी खाओगे तो ताकत हो जाता था. इसलिए जब when you go to Yog Center, Yoggram or any naturopathy center, night time they'll give you a soya milk and a गुड़ खाना देंगे. उससे constipation भी नहीं होता, पेट साफ होता है proper. And they used to give, अब बिहार में क्या खाते थे? सत्तू खाते हैं हम लोग, चना पीस के. सत्तू खाने से भी पेट साफ होता है. सुबह मॉर्निंग में जिसको constipation है, सत्तू पानी में घोल के पी लो, तो पेट एकदम ताकत भी होगा, पेट भी साफ हो जाएगा पूरा. It's got a lot of insoluble fiber, which is able to move your bowel movement. वही कहने का मतलब कि सब फूड का कोई ना कोई फायदा है. Once you know those फायदा, then you get the maximum benefit of all the food you're eating. And then you got the basil, then you got cumin seed. Cumin seed किसके लिए अच्छा है? Cumin seed किसके लिए अच्छा है?
वो ब्लड प्रेशर के लिए भी अच्छा है, हार्ट के लिए भी अच्छा है, वो ठंडी शरीर को रखता है, ठंडा
right.
करता है. छाछ में भी हम डालते हैं.
Very, very good for liver and very good
Liver.
for comforting your digestive system. खाना पचाने में help करता है. My method. And then you got saffron. Saffron क्या करता है? केसर.
आँख के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है.
आँख के लिए
आँख के
अच्छा है.
लिए भी
Excellent.
बहुत
Yes.
अच्छा है.
Yes. और क्या? आपको तो बहुत जानकारी है.
मैं हर रोज यूज करती हूँ सैफरन, सिनेमन हर रोज यूज
That's
करती हूँ.
good.
और गुड़ भी मैंने गुड़ का लाडू बनाया, भेजा है आपको.
Very good for immune system. Immune system
Yes.
बढ़ाता है saffron.
Saffron.
At least you eat once a day, once a week. खीर बनाते हैं, कुछ बनाते हैं, उसमें डाल लीजिए saffron.
और
छोटी इलायची डाल दें.
ये पता है वो पानी गरम करके उसमें एक बेग
डाल दो, हाँ,
सैफरन
तुरंत से.
डाल के और पीना, तो वो भी
हाँ.
अच्छा है आपका. हर रोज
प्रॉब्लम इसमें ये है कि आजकल सब चीज में घुसखोरी चलता है। साफरन भी कभी कभी नकली होता है, तगा को लोग रंग बना के साफरन बना के बेच देते हैं। तो मेक श्योर यू हैव अ
Pure
गुड ब्रांड। हम तो मंगाते हैं स्वामी जी का कश्मीर का साफरन रहता है। It's very smell. You can tell the smell, such a strong aroma
Yeah.
to it. Gives a nice flavor to it.
You make saffron tea as well. no?
Yeah.
Yes.
वो तो हम लोग दूध का चाय बनाते हैं तो साफरन डालते ही हैं, साफरन डाल देते हैं, इलायची डालते हैं,
मसाले
अमरूद
दूध वाले
डालते हैं,
बनाते हैं हाँ।
और हम तो ब्लैक पेपर भी डाल देते हैं उसमें, काला मिर्च भी डाल दो, लिवर के लिए अच्छा है। और उसमें हम शिलाजीत भी डाल देते हैं थोड़ा सा।
सब कुछ
उससे में ताकत हो जाता है आपके लिए।
you're making a cocktail. You're making a cocktail of every all spices.
हम बताते हैं, कहानी बताते हैं। एक बार क्या हुआ कि I was doing all the health thing, लोग को प्रमोट कर रहे थे। So one day all my family used to stay with me that day, my children and all that. So I went and bought a lot of vegetables, लौकी हुआ, जो भी juice हुआ सब लाए। And then I created a lot of juice. I made 5 glasses, one for each person. So I drank mine saying, it was taste horrible, but I drank it saying, oh, it's lovely, so sweet, nice. And I drank it. And then सब देखे, बाकी बच्चे लोग देख रहे थे, no, I'm not taking this. तो हमने देखा, हमने इतना मेहनत किए हैं, तो हमने थोड़ा देर में जाके बोले कि चलो कोई नहीं पीता, दोबारा दूसरा गिलास हमने पी लिया। फिर 1 घंटा बाद फिर घूम के कोई नहीं पी रहा है, तो तीसरा गिलास हमने पी लिया। फिर हमने चौथा गिलास पी लिया है। और जब रात में सोने गए तो हमको 2 बजे 3 बजे नींद टूटा। जब हम सिंक में गए कुल्ला करने के लिए, suddenly everything came back. Everything came back. My face went all green. So my wife came in running, thought what's happened, like somebody attacked me. देखा बोला कि if your face got all green and everything like that.
Oh, bless.
तो कहने का मतलब कि everything needs to be in balance. Overdoing it is well not good for you either. So you have to kind of balance the thing. And that's why green juice is very healthy for a lot of people, kind of. And also I'll
Sarvanji, can you put black pepper in your tea?
Yeah.
Sugar.
That's right.
Yeah.
Very good for throat infection, liver के लिए डालते हैं। जिसको नाक भरा हो, सर्दी खांसी हो, उसके लिए भी अच्छा करता है डाल के पीने से। It gives you like a spicy taste, you know.
Okay.
I don't put sugar in my tea, so I just put black pepper.
मसाला में डालते हैं ना,
मीठा के जगह पे
कभी-
cinnamon powder डाल दो, चीनी डाल के cinnamon powder डाल दो, तो फायदा करेगा।
Okay.
Because cinnamon is slightly sweeter as well.
Well, that's a
और
good
लोग
idea.
उसमें, और लोग जो जब हरिद्वार जाते हैं ना, तो they put mulethi as well. Mulethi is sweet as well. That gives a bit of sweetness as well. Mulethi, which is very good for your throat and your lung, to get rid of any mucus, things like that.
Okay.
Thank you.
And then you have ajwain, and then you have
Ajwain.
black, and then black seed. Black seed is very good for everything apart from death. I take black seed oil, I put in juice 1 drop and take every day. और black seed, कोई खाना बनाते हैं, सब्जी छोंकते हैं, उसमें black seed भी डाल देते हैं मिला के, बहुत healthy है।
Sarvanji, what did you say? Flax.
No, the
Black
black seed, black seed.
Black
उसको
seed.
बोलते
What's
हैं,
that?
it's like a प्याज का बिया रहता है, onion seed,
जी
करौंजी।
Okay. Okay.
Kalonji, yeah, kalonji.
It's very good for liver function and lowers your high blood pressure as well. Prevents, increases your immune system to fight infection. Good for asthma. Good for reducing inflammation and everything else. It's good for everything apart from death. You take that daily, basically. Won't do any harm at all. And then obviously you got methi, fenugreek.
मेथी
Very good for diabetes,
arthritis
arthritis. That's right, excellent. You know all those things. Anyway. Then fennel का चाय भी अच्छा होता है constipation के लिए, indigestion के लिए, IBS के लिए बहुत अच्छा है fennel।
आई के लिए बहुत अच्छा है। ठंडा है शरीर के लिए, इसकी शरबत बना के पियो तो अच्छा रहता है।
आप इतना एक्सपर्ट हैं, बोल रहे हैं, हम मुंह में पानी आने लगा, सच्ची हमको पीने
मैं घर पे बनाती हूँ शरबत।
I know. जैसे ये क्लोव हुआ, क्लोव खाना चाहिए, चाय में क्लोव डाल सकते हैं, उससे भी फायदा करेगा, क्लोव को पीस के। अलसी हुआ, फ्लैक्स सीड कैसे खाते हैं आप लोग? How do you eat flax seed?
Roasted.
चबा
Like
के
to roast
खाते,
it.
ग्राइंड करके फिर
नहीं,
सीरियल में।
फ्लैक्स सीड का जो छिलका होता है बहुत स्लाइमी होता है। If you eat it like that, it won't absorb it. आपके टॉयलेट में बाहर निकल जाएगा। तो really
नहीं ग्राइंड
नहीं the best way इसको grind बेसी नहीं होता है, grind करने में आधा grind होता है, आधा नहीं होता है. First you roast it slightly, dry roast कर ले पहले, and keep it in the jar.
Okay.
The skin becomes better. And then you take a spoonful and grind it, and then put that in your soup, salad,
Yeah.
whatever you're eating. Because omega-3 is very volatile. Any sunlight पड़ता है तो खत्म हो जाता है. So you have to quickly mix it in your whatever you're cooking, and then take it across. Which is very good. Omega-3 is very good for promoting high blood pressure.
Lovely.
It's like a good oil, like a WD-40 for your joint pain and everything. Lubricates the joint.
Don't start drinking
मैं
W40.
फ्लैक्स सीड है ना,
हाँ।
सुआदाना बनाते हैं ना, इसमें डाल के
That's
चिया
it.
सीड, फ्लैक्स सीड और
That's
तिल
it.
सभी खाना है.
आप तो इसमें पूरा किताब लिख सकते हैं. इतना जानकारी आपके पास है.
मैं डब्बा ले आओ, मेरा सुआदाना इसमें सभी कुछ रखा है मैंने.
And then obviously कोई भी पेट में प्रॉब्लम है, इंडिजेक्शन है, burping हो रहा है, mint tea is very good for you. पेट को शांत करता है. Ginger, very good for a lot of things. Garlic, I garlic को steam कर खाते हैं. Steam के खाने से smell नहीं रहेगा, and you have all the benefits of nutrients. मतलब using my steamer with all the courgette सब डालते हैं, उसमें garlic डाल देते हैं छील के 4-5, and you try to eat that daily basis to promote health. Good for blood pressure.
Shravanti, what
Very good
Sorry?
idea.
my husband's a heart patient.
Uh-huh.
So what I do is at night time, I slice the garlic very finely and put it in homemade yogurt
That's right.
and leave it overnight. And then first thing in the morning, he'll just eat it.
That's good. That's it. One thing is a lot of way of digesting it, but that's
Yeah.
perfect. So your husband got high blood pressure, isn't it?
No, he's diabetic and heart patient.
What do you mean by heart patient? What's
He's had a stent put in, basically.
okay?
One of his arteries
Remove
blocked. a few
डॉक्टर
years
जी
back,
को
but he's fine now. He's not had any
No,
further.
that's okay. No, I'm just saying, the acupressure will help a lot just by pressing your heart point, on the left side, left hand.
He started doing yoga classes. Yours.
Good, excellent. No, well done. No, thank you. And then you have I also, when you go to, I've been to China teaching yoga class training. Then one of the student, she owned the carpet, यहाँ पर जैसे pub होता है, वहाँ पे चाय का pub होता है. So she owned one, so she took me to all my students to her pub, they call it. They give a herbal tea and sunflower seed. And chai ko bhi, the way they make it, it's like an art. They make the tea in front of you and then they wash, they kind of do a certain ceremony before you drink the tea and eat the sunflower seed and you discuss all the things, and sunflower seed is very good for a lot of things. Nerve problem, neuro problem, everything else. It's got magnesium, that's good for heart as well and everything. You should eat that on a daily basis. Then you got Brazil nut, pumpkin seed, cashew nut, and so on. It will go on and on. And then obviously in the herb, one of the main herb you should take daily basis, you can buy from anywhere, is triphala powder, which contains amla, harad, and beta. It's tridosal.
3 loaves.
But make sure you don't take it regularly. Take it for 2
Otherwise-
weeks, and don't leave it for 2 weeks again, then take it again. That's it. But if you take too much on daily
Then
basis, then
stomach-
it might harm you. Sorry, somebody's voice is coming through. And then you got ashwagandha, very good for supporting healthy reproductive function, immune function, and improve your nerve system. Any nerve problem will repair that ashwagandha. Also, in increase, just now Swamiji taking a tablet perennial that contains ashwagandha, giloy, and certain thing, all those things. मतलब गोंद होता है गोंद को क्या बोलते हैं गुजराती में?
गोंद बोलते हैं.
हाँ, तो गोंद से भी बहुत फायदा है. गोंद का वो लोग चैक करके इसमें डालते हैं हर में इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाने के लिए. हम लोग जो बनाते हैं जब आदमी लेडी लोग प्रेग्नेंट होती है, गोंद का बच्चा होने के बाद गोंद का लड्डू खिलाते हैं ना, है कि नहीं? गोंद का लड्डू बना के खिलाते हैं. I can't hear you.
I've just made some because my friend's daughter's just had a baby.
That's good.
Excellent.
Excellent. उससे हेल्थ का कोलेस्ट्रॉल होता है, बहुत फायदे का चीज है गोंद, मतलब गोंद के. एंड देन यू गो बार्क ऑफ अर्जुन का छाल का चाय बनाकर पीते, जिनको हार्ट का पल्पिटेशन है, हार्ट का मसल वीक रहता है. These are all Ayurveda thing I'm talking about, just to give you some kind of idea.
Sorry, can I just, did you say Arjun?
Arjun ka chal, Arjun is a kind of tree grows, they take the skin off it and make a tea with it. चाय बना के पीते हैं उसका.
We get
Very
this
good
in
for-
England.
Yeah, you can get Swamiji the package. You can buy that through the Ayurvedic shop. And that helps to improve your palpitation of your heart muscle, so heart can pump away blood much better. Kind of idea. And then you go Brahmari. People with dementia, हम लोग young नहीं, हम लोग जवान नहीं रहे, तो हम लोग का memory loss हो रहा है. Brahmari will help to improve your memory power.
Okay.
So you should take Brahmari tablet daily basis if you can get hand of it. And then for female, very good for female for Satauri. Satauri is a asparagus, which supports hormonal health, reproductive function. So very good for female, for people who are young children, who's going to have a children and things like that. It improves their ovary and uterus and so on to make a child easy to conceive children. And last but not the least, the Giloi. I talked about it a lot. Giloi is one of the best plants you can buy to increase the immune system with the current climate of COVID-19.
Yes.
Lily, I talked a lot just now. If any question you want to ask, then we'll take the chapter. Anything else you like to ask me?
So did you say Brahmari tablets? Swamiji?
Brahmari, yeah. You can buy the Brahmari in the bark as well. You can buy a liquid as well, or you can buy it in the tablet form as well.
Thank you.
Mohanji, you explained one time that you put all the metals in the water and drink,
Yeah, that's
like
the
gold, silver. What does it helpful
tell you, right?
for?
People who are mental health problem, gold is better. Gold improves your mental health. Iron, if you're anemic. Copper, if you have constipation, lung problem. So that's and silver. What the king used to do, they used to drink water in silver jug. Not because they have a lot of money. It's not the money. Silver actually kills the bacteria in the water. That's why they used to put the water silver. And that's why आपको कल दही जमाना ना है, दूध खरीद के गरम करके silver का coin डाल दें, दूध जम जाएगा अपने आप. Silver has that kind of chemical reaction which helps for that to happen. It's a certain bacteria in it. It kills certain bacteria as well, and kind of. So you take a milk, heat the milk up, and put the clean silver coin or something into the pure silver into the milk. It will become yogurt for next morning.
I never knew that. Something
Yeah.
I learned. Something I learned.
So we can put in a one pot, copper coin, gold coin, everything, and drink water in the
No,
morning.
that's right. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But what I suggest is for the water, charged water, you have to take 20 gram of gold. The gold needs to be clean gold, not something with a lot of dirt on it. And the silver, 20 gram, iron 40 gram, and copper coin 40 gram. The copper, you take 2 pence coin if you don't have a copper. And you cook that and clean that in coke, so it becomes brand new, and you put that in the water. And that jug of water, leave overnight, in the morning, you just drink the water. That itself will promote health. उस्मान जी आप अकेले के लिए कॉफी पी रहे हैं, हमको भी थोड़ा पास कीजिए ना. हमारा गला सूखने लगा बोलते. Any other question? If you
So metal drink is improve health, yeah.
yes, that's why ये खाना भी जब बनाते हैं इंडिया में कहीं जाएंगे मट्टी के बर्तन में खाना बनता है तो मट्टी में और मिनरल रहता है. That goes in the food and food tastes sweeter.
That's true.
And also so that यहाँ पे तो मिलता नहीं है तो that's why best pot to use is the metal pot, stainless steel pot. Stainless steel pot doesn't harm you but doesn't help you anything. Otherwise, if you can afford to buy a copper pot or iron pot, जिसमें ज्यादा मसल यूज करना पड़ता है उतना देह को फायदा करता है. जो चीज भी लाइफ में कन्वीनियंट के लिए बना है bad for health. That's all I can tell you. जो चीज आपकी जिंदगी के लिए बना है कि आपका जिंदगी सुधारने के लिए वो आपकी हेल्थ के लिए खराब है. Like a microwave change the whole DNA. You shouldn't cook microwave food at all.
But I'm warming up in the microwave. If you warm up the food in the microwave.
No, you
that then-
can't. Once you do that, then you change the whole DNA. I always put in the pot again and heat it and then serve like that.
Okay.
In Ayurveda, it says you should eat food within 3 hours of cooking. Obviously, here that's not possible. Understand that. And one thing I forgot to tell you, Ayurveda also tells you, eat what grows in the season. जो सीजन में भगवान ने जैसे मूली होता है विंटर में खाओगे तो हेल्थ देह में गर्मी करेगा, देह को फायदा करेगा. समर में खाओगे तो it might harm you. Mango grows in summer, it cools the body down. If you have a kapha dosa and you eat mango in winter, then it will give you arthritis, joint pain, and so on.
Okay.
Follow me? So God ने
Yeah.
भगवान ने ऐसा बनाया है कि जो सीजन में जो चीज अच्छा है वो सीजन में होता है उस समय. भाई प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि आजकल दुनिया में सब चीज सब सीजन में मिलता है.
I know, I was just about to say that.
But same time we are
Oh,
clever.
yeah.
We know exactly mango समर में होता है, समर में खाओ. ये हम बोल रहे हैं. Just a matter of just common sense. Don't just look at the shop and see जो हो रहा है जो सामने है खरीद दो. नहीं, you have to plan yourself. Think just bit of thought process in your mind, you know.
भैया इसमें पानी रख के पीते तो अच्छा नहीं.
हम सोचिए आप लोटा दिखा रहे हैं बाथरूम जाने के लिए. नहीं सॉरी मजाक कर रहे थे. सॉरी. That's पानी पीएंगे. That's the best class. That's why I do. कॉपर जग में पानी रख के पी लो, दिन भर पीते रहो.
Nirmala is not laughing. Look at Nirmala. She's
देखो
my cousin. Sarmanji,
कभी-कभी-
Nirmala is my cousin.
okay. Sometimes it's good to laugh about certain things because उसमें पढ़ने में मजा भी आता है कि नहीं.
हाँ.
निर्मला जी
श्रवण जी, पूरा दिन वो पानी पीने का कि सुबह में एक ही बार ये मेटल वाला पानी.
मेटल दिन पी सकते हैं, दिन में पी सकते हैं. You only make one jug, so obviously you have to drink depending on your weight. You divide by 30. So हमारा 95 है, तो I need to drink 3 liters of water at least minimum.
Thank you.
वही अभी हम नहीं पिए हैं. 1 घंटा बोल रहे थे, मुंह सूख गया पूरा. मुंह is completely dry. That's why I can feel dehydrated. Once you get dehydrated, you fall asleep and you can't concentrate. All these things happens. Body, every reaction in body happens in water. And any of you have any other knowledge you want to share with us? We have still a couple of minutes if you want to say something about Ayurveda, anything you know. Because a lot of you already have a lot of, you are the main, what do you call a doctor in the house. You do all the cooking, you do all the things. You should know more than me. I'm just learning I'm just touching the surface. Where you are dealing day to day, every day with different spices, different things. And all the things.
Sarvanji, if you're pre-diabetic, what is the best form for sugar if you have to have in tea and all? Tea or coffee,
Nothing.
what type of sugar? I know you shouldn't have sugar, but
No, what I'm saying is, usually I take molasses. That's why I'm pre-diabetic, I'm diabetes as well. So I still take sugar, but I take the molasses, gur ke form mein. Gur dalte hain ya honey dalte hain tea coffee mein. Half
okay.
teaspoon. But thing is, take everything natural. Natural won't give you a spike in your sugar level. That's what diabetes is. When the sugar level goes spike, that's what creates the problem. So if you want to take something natural, they don't give you a spike. They give gradual. So that's better for you.
Okay, thanks.
And also you have to eat certain food as well, which helps to balance your sugar level all the time. Like karela, in morning में करेला, टमाटर, खीरा का जूस पीजिए आपका शुगर को बैलेंस करने के लिए. मेथी खाइए, मेथी का पानी पीजिए रोज सुबह और रात को हल्दी खाइए. All these will help to manage your sugar level.
Okay.
अब बोलिएगा कि इतना चीज सब एक साथ कैसे खाएं? वो भी
सही
problem
बात
है, no.
वो भी सही है.
No, but you make your menu. मेन्यू बनाने मंडे को ये करेंगे, ट्यूसडे को ये करेंगे, वेडनेसडे. Obviously, easy for me to say it. जो आदमी जिसको रोज खाना बनाना पड़ता है, रोज करना पड़ता है, it's not easy. I understand that. But same time, if you plan it, then makes your life a bit easier. That's all.
Sarvanji, I think a saccharin is very bad for health.
No, saccharin I won't take it. Saccharin gives you
No.
cancer. Saccharin
But if
shouldn't
you look at the biscuits, for diabetic people, they
No,
have
that-
put saccharin in it.
diabetes foods are very bad for you. Any
Yeah.
diabetes, people, it's more of a marketing. People sell just, oh, this is diabetes. If you eat there, there's no sugar in
That's
it,
right.
things like that.
Yeah.
But they give you,
Yeah.
they harms you more than help you anyway.
Yeah, because I've seen it, and I'm
Yeah,
not a diabetic, but I
Yeah, understand.
I have not, because sometimes I want to buy it for my sister-in-law, but because then I read it's got saccharin in it, and I said it's
Yeah.
not good for
No, saccharin
diabetic
shouldn't
people.
take even only Another natural form of sugar is Sylvia.
Stevia, yeah.
Sylvia. That's it.
Stevia.
I knew that grows in that's quite a natural form of sugar which is good for health. That's okay.
Yeah, okay.
It
But-
doesn't taste of anything.
Huh?
It doesn't taste of anything. I've been using
know.
stevia, and I said, let me try it, and it cakes in the drink.
Yeah, it tastes. I didn't like the taste either. So I don't drink it. That's why I didn't
I
prefer. But
like the
eh,
taste. I tried it, and it's not
Yeah,
sweet at all.
it's a different kind of taste, and you got to used to it. I didn't like it at all.
Yeah.
Anyway.
What about sucralose and things like that?
Sugar sugar.
Fructose.
Yes, sometimes you can buy coconut sugar. You can buy these are good as well. Any natural form of sugar is good for you. Best to है गुड़ थोड़ा सा डाल ले थोड़ा सा वो भी ठीक है. Not too much, just a small चना के size का. And just to give you that kind of sweetness to your coffee or tea what you're taking.
Okay.
Ramanji,
Yeah,
today's
it's
session is
very-
very informative. Can you
Yeah.
put it in a group?
Yeah.
or
I'll put the
YouTube or YouTube as well?
YouTube,
Oh,
you know.
yeah, on YouTube. Can I tell you one thing?
Thank you.
Yeah, बोलिए.
Can I- वो है ना हल्दी,
हाँ.
खांड और कॉफी जब
हाँ.
हाथ में कहाँ भी कट हो जाता है ना तो उसको प्रेस कर दो तो लोई बंद हो जाता है. शुगर इज वेरी handy when if somebody is there we haven't got sugar सभी के घर में होती है शुगर डाल दो तो कट हो जाएगा क्योंकि हमारे घर एक दिन फायर ब्रिगेड वाला वो आया था ना वो एक गार्डनर आता है
हाँ.
उसका हाथ इतना कट गया तो लोई बंद नहीं आता बोलता अभी हॉस्पिटल में बोला मैंने शुगर डाल दिए ना तो बोला वो ये तो पता ही नहीं था तो बोला अभी सभी को वो फायर ब्रिगेड के सभी को बोलने लगा था फिर हल्दी भी डाला.
और दूसरा है कि जो हल्दी खाते ना हल्दी ब्लैक पेपर से खाओगे तो क्यूमिन जो केमिकल होता है बॉडी को और लगता है. So try to eat haldi with black pepper, which is much healthier.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I think हमने अपना टाइम बहुत आप लोग का
बहुत
टाइम गवा
दिया.
दिया and I'm sorry to
Well,
waste your
yeah.
time.
No, it's
Thank you very
valuable.
much.
Thank you
for the
very much.
information.
Yeah.
It was very
मैंने लड्डू भेजा है आपको व्हाट्सएप में.
हमने खा लिया.
वो
बहुत
बनाया
ये
था,
तो ये तो
गुड़ का बनाया था.
ऐसे तो दुश्मन को भी नहीं करना चाहिए. लड्डू व्हाट्सएप पे
नहीं.
देते हैं आप.
I'll send you my address. Send me the papad and papadi.
आ जाए इधर.
No, thank you very much. Thank you. Nice. I think it was, hopefully you enjoyed it and take it from there. Tomorrow again we'll have the yoga class in the morning anyway, 9:30 to 11. All the best. Good night.
Thank you very
everybody.
much.
Home.
Thank you.
Bye, Nemo.
Thank you.
Bye, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.